Students, hope you are doing well. In this video, we will discuss about keywords and questions answers of chapter 10, that is respiration in organisms. इस वीडियो में मैं क्वेश्चंस को हिंदी में भी समझाऊंगी ताकि आप क्वेश्चंस को समझ पाए और उसके आंसर्स को सही तरीके से लिख पाए। तो हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं कीवर्ड से। First keyword is aerobic respiration. If the food is broken down with the use of oxygen, it is called aerobic respiration. Next keyword is anaerobic respiration. If the breakdown occurs without the use of oxygen, the respiration is called anaerobic respiration. Next keyword is breathing rate. The number of times a person breathes in a minute is termed as the breathing rate. Next keyword is cellular respiration. The process of breakdown of food in the cell with the release of energy is called cellular respiration. Next keyword is diaphragm, a large dome-shaped muscular seat called diaphragm, located below the lungs. Diaphragm separates the thoracic or chest and abdominal cavities in mammals. Next keyword is exhalation. The giving out of air rich in carbon dioxide is known as exhalation. Next keyword is gills. A gill is a respiratory organ found in many aquatic organisms that extracts dissolved oxygen from the water and excretes carbon dioxide. Next keyword is lungs. The lungs are a pair of breathing organs located with the chest cavity. This cavity is surrounded by ribs on the sides. Next keyword is inhalation. The taking in of air rich in oxygen into the body is called inhalation. Next keyword is spiracles. An insect has small openings on the sides of its body. These openings are called spiracles. Next keyword is trachea. Insects have a network of air tubes called trachea for gas exchange. Next and last keyword is ribs. The ribs are a set of 12 paired bones which form the protective cage of the thorax. Now questions answers. First question, why does an athlete breathe faster and deeper than usual after finishing the race? It means एक एथलीट रेस खत्म करने के बाद नॉर्मल से अधिक तेज और गहरी सांस क्यों लेता है? Answer, during running an athlete consumes a lot of energy which is produced by oxidation of glucose. By breathing deeper and faster, the athlete is basically consuming more and more oxygen to fulfill his or her energy requirements. Next question. List the similarities and differences between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. It means aerobic और anaerobic respiration के similarities और differences को लिखें. So for similarities, the similarities between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. First point, both occurs in the cells of body of living organisms. Second point, in both, energy is released by broken down of glucose. Now differences. For differences, you have to draw two columns. In first column, you have to write points for aerobic respiration. In second column, you have to write points for anaerobic respiration. So first point for aerobic respiration, in the cell, the food or glucose is broken down into carbon dioxide and water using oxygen. This is called aerobic respiration. For anaerobic respiration, in the cell, food can also be broken down without using oxygen. This is called anaerobic respiration. Now next point for aerobic respiration. In the presence of oxygen, glucose breaks down into carbon dioxide and water as, now reaction, glucose in the presence of oxygen, it gives carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. For anaerobic respiration, in the absence of oxygen, glucose breaks down into alcohol and carbon dioxide as, now reaction, glucose in the absence of oxygen, it gives alcohol plus carbon dioxide plus energy. Now third point for aerobic respiration, more energy is released during aerobic respiration. Now for anaerobic respiration, less energy is released during anaerobic respiration. Now third question, why do we often sneeze when we inhale a lot of dust-laden air? It means जब हम धूल से भरी हवा में सांस लेते हैं तो अक्सर क्यों छींकते हैं? Answer, the air around us have various types of unwanted particles such as smoke, dust, pollens, etc. When we inhale, the particles get trapped in the air present in our nasal cavity. However, sometimes these particles may get past the hair in the nasal cavity. This may irritate the lining of the cavity, as a result of which we sneeze. Sneezing expels these foreign particles from the inhaled air, and a dust-free, clean air enters our body. Now next question. Take 3 test tubes. Fill 3/4 of each with water. Level them A, B and C. Keep a snail in test tube A water plant in test tube B, and in C, keep snail and plant both. Which test tube would have the highest concentration of carbon dioxide? It means 3 टेस्ट ट्यूब आपको लेना है और इन सभी टेस्ट ट्यूब में 3/4 वाटर डाल देना है। इसके बाद पहले टेस्ट ट्यूब को ए से, दूसरे को बी से, तीसरे को सी से लेवल कर देना। फिर टेस्ट ट्यूब ए में स्नेल को डाल देना है, टेस्ट ट्यूब बी में वाटर प्लांट डाल देना है और टेस्ट ट्यूब सी में स्नेल एंड वाटर प्लांट दोनों को डाल देना। अब पूछ रहा है कि तीनों टेस्ट ट्यूब में से किस टेस्ट ट्यूब में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस का कंसंट्रेशन ज्यादा होगा। Answer: in test tube A, concentration of carbon dioxide will be high because in test tube A, snail, an animal is there but no plant. Now next question, question number 5. Pick the correct answer. ये MCQ टाइप के क्वेश्चंस हैं। करेक्ट आंसर को आपको लिखना है। फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट, इन कॉकरोचेस एयर एंटर्स द बॉडी थ्रू फर्स्ट ऑप्शन लंग्स, सेकंड ऑप्शन गिल्स, थर्ड ऑप्शन स्पेरिकल्स, फोर्थ ऑप्शन स्किन। आंसर विल बी स्पेरिकल्स. Next statement, during heavy exercise, we get cramps in the legs due to the accumulation of first option carbon dioxide, second option lactic acid, third option alcohol, fourth option water. Answer will be lactic acid. Next statement, normal range of breathing rate per minute in an average adult person at rest is first option 9 to 12, second option 15 to 18, third option 21 to 24, fourth option 30 to 33. Answer will be 15 to 18. Next statement, during exhalation, the ribs, first option, move outwards, second option, move downwards, third option, move upwards, fourth option, do not move at all. Answer will be move downwards. Next question, match the items in column 1 with those in column 2. इस क्वेश्चन में कह रहा है कि कॉलम 1 में कुछ आइटम्स है जिसको कॉलम 2 से मैच करना है। So, in column 1, first item is yeast. Next diaphragm, next skin, next leaves, next fish, next frog. In column 2, terms are earthworm, next gills, next alcohol, next chest cavity, next stomata, next lungs and skin, next trachea. Now answer. For yeast, answer will be alcohol. For diaphragm, answer will be chest cavity. For skin, answer will be earthworm. For leaves, answer will be stomata. For fish, answer will be gills. For frog, answer will be lungs and skin. Now question number 7. Mark T if the statement is true and F if it is false. First statement, during heavy exercise, the breathing rate of a person slows down. Answer will be F. It means this statement is false. Next statement, plants carry out photosynthesis only during the day and respiration only at night. Answer will be F. It means this statement is false. Next statement, frog breathe through their skins as well as their lungs. Answer will be T. It means this statement is true. Next statement, the fishes have lungs for respiration. Answer will be F. It means this statement is false. Next statement, the size of the chest cavity increases during inhalation. Answer will be T. It means this statement is true. Now next question, given below is a square of a letters in which are hidden different words related to respiration in organisms. These words may be present in any direction, upwards, downwards or along the diagonals. Find the words for your respiratory system. Clues about those words are given below the square. It means नीचे एक स्क्वायर में कुछ लेटर्स दिए हैं जिसमें ऑर्गेनिजम्स के रेस्पिरेशन से रिलेटेड कुछ वर्ड्स छिपा है। ये वर्ड्स किसी भी डायरेक्शन में हो सकता है, ऊपर की तरफ, नीचे की तरफ या डायगोनल में। रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम के इन वर्ड्स का पता कीजिए। उन वर्ड्स का क्लू नीचे दिया हुआ है। फर्स्ट क्लू इज द एयर ट्यूब्स ऑफ इंसेक्ट्स. आंसर विल बी ट्रेकिया. दिस वन, ट्रेकिया. नेक्स्ट क्लू, skeletal structures surrounding chest cavity. Answer will be ribs. This one, ribs. Next clue, muscular floor of chest cavity. Answer will be diaphragm. This one, अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में दिया हुआ है, डायफ्राम. नेक्स्ट क्लू, टाइनी पोर्स ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ लीफ. आंसर विल बी स्टोमाटा. दिस वन डायगोनल दिया हुआ है, स्टोमाटा. नेक्स्ट क्लू, small openings on the sides of the body of an insect. Answer will be spiracles. This one, spiracles. Next clue, the respiratory organs of human beings. Answer will be lungs. This one, lungs. Next clue, the openings through which we inhale. Answer will be nostril. This one, nostril. Next clue, an anaerobic organism. Answer will be yeast. This one, yeast. Last clue, an organism with tracheal system. Answer will be ant. This one. Now last question. This is MCQ. The mountaineers carry oxygen with them because, first option, at an altitude of more than 5 km there is no air. Second option, the amount of air available to a person is less than that available on the ground. Next option, the temperature of air is higher than that of the ground. Next option, the presence of air is higher than that of the ground. Answer will be the amount of air available to a person is less than that available on the ground. That's it. यदि आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक कर दीजिएगा और आगे के वीडियोस को देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा.